Right, okay, so today I'm doing quite a few maintenance jobs, so I thought I'd bring you... I forget this camera's broke. I thought I'd bring you guys with me and do a sort of another day in the life of a plumber. So hopefully this goes well. That. And of course, just like Sod's Law, it's the most bloody league first thing in the morning. Yeah, right, it's gonna be too. Hey, come on. Yeah. So I've been to the merchants, got the tap that I need. I've now got to go back. It's just one of those jobs where it's just going to take me longer to drive there to do the job, but it's what it is, I'm afraid. So yeah, let's leg it.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so the current situation is, it's currently 4 o'clock. I don't have to be at my next job until 5:30, so I'm just going to hit the gym real quick. I didn't really record that job, but it was a right nightmare. It was only meant to take me 30 minutes, and the job's just not as it was portrayed, so I'm going to have to go back there tomorrow. But as you can tell, it's now 8 o'clock in the evening. I'm going home. I'm going to go and eat. But that's my day complete. 12-hour day. Yay! Doesn't get better than this. Tomorrow, I'm having off. Well, say, I'm going to work, but then I'm having the evening off. Let's go. Every plumber loves putting his hand in it. Turn the water off. Please don't drop my camera. Oh. Yeah, now I gotta go door to door and tell them that I've turned the water off. Right, job's a good one. I'm leaving the other guys to put the hand roll up because I've got to go. I've got like 3 other jobs to go to today and it's 12 o'clock. I just haven't got time. Whoa. Right, second to last job of the day. Got to change that radiator valve because it's been a right idiot. And I'm on this site all by myself, so I can record what I like. And this site currently doesn't have any hot or cold water or central heating because some idiot has decided to cut them all off there and just go run that. But with the time that I've got left for today, I'm hoping maybe just to get the cold in. And there's a few snags on the rest of the central heating that I want to sort. But it's like 2:30 now and I'm going to be somewhere else at 3:30. This is cutting it very close.
If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, shaboom.
It is recorded. Hey! Good Friday working.
Good Friday.
Like, it's not a Good Friday, it's the Good Friday where it's Easter in 2 days' time. And of course we're working on the bank holiday.
Too right.
We've got 2, maybe 3 jobs to do today. It's currently 9 o'clock, we're running a bit late. But we just got to build a shower, fit an outside tap.
It's 8:56.
8:56. Build a shower. Build a shower, outside tap, and maybe move a radiator. So, yeah.
See what happens.
See what happens. Good day's crack.
Keep you updated.
Yeah.
I hate that when people put thumbs up on photos. I hate it.
job well done. And
Fucking horrible.
where is it? So, last job.
Jump on that.
5:25. Good day?
Job done.
No. Right, now it's recording. Oh, copyright. Job done. 5:30. Day complete. Baboosh. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging.
Whoa, three job rubs.
Oh, that's
What?
it, man. Good day. Good day on the tools.
Yeah, good alright. Oh, hello. Someone's kicked off.
Oh, it's the
Oh, I know.
football Saturday.
Now I got Sunday off.
Sunday off now. Done that job.
I've had a little bit of alcohol in dry January. Yeah, whatever.
I'm still very strong.
Yeah, good. Well, I support Wednesday
Wetness
and Thirsty Day.
What's today? Sink my sorrows Saturday. Yeah.
No, it's yeah,
3 jobs.
Oh,
Nice
good,
one. Sound?
sweet.
Just go.
Take you up in paradise like the ocean. If you will